This 1/4" icon flex head ratchet's cool and all, but I'm going to make it more better and more capable by converting it to a 3/8 drive for only $9. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you can see that modifying tools is kind of my thing. I built a business around it with my manual tire changer attachment, which was the first of its kind to ever hit the market. The process of modifying this ratchet is pretty simple. Just order up a Tekton 3/8 drive small body ratchet service kit. A link is in the description below. Disassemble using the provided T5 star bit, ideally using your Icon flex head bit ratchet, which in fact did not include a T5. Swap out the 1/4" drive gear with the 3/8 version. If you keep pressure on the pawl, you can switch them out without taking the whole mechanism apart. Use either the new or the original washer and then reassemble. If your ratchet is older and used, you can switch out the pawl if you want, but don't bother with the Tekton selector lever because it won't fit. If you want to get all fancy, you can add a dab of the provided super lube inside the detent spring hole and a little bit more on the contact surfaces of the switch pin. What you're left with is a 7" long 90-tooth flex head 3/8 ratchet with a comfort grip handle. It can get into some tighter places and it feels great in the hand, which is a pretty important quality for a ratchet. If you'd like to see more tool modifications, check out this video right here or look for a playlist in the description below. Keep grinding away on those projects, stay lucid, and I'll see you in the next one.